This is part 2 of the AMS and B/G Intrusion integration series. Installing the RPS API. The Intrusion RPS API is the communication channel between the AMS and the RPS applications on their respective computers. You must first install the API on the RPS computer, then install the certificates that the setup generates on the AMS computer. Step 1. Install RPS API. Locate the RPS API setup file in the AMS installation media. Go to Add-ons. Click Advanced. Open the Intrusion RPS API folder. In this folder you will find documentation including RPS API application note and datasheet. Refer to these documents for more information about RPS API. Copy the setup executable to the computer running RPS. Right-click setup.exe and select Run as Administrator to start the RPS API Service Install Wizard. Click Next and follow the steps in the wizard to perform the installation. Setup HTTPS. The host name field should autofill with the computer name that you are installing on. Check that it matches. Leave the port number the default value 9000. Select Generate a self-signed certificate. Make sure that you enter a password for the certificate, as the password field cannot be empty. Click the check mark to process. We see a dialog that shows we are successful. Click OK. Click Finish. Step 2. Create AMS operator in RPS. This user will configure the integration in AMS. Go to Operator List. Click New. Enter a username, for example, AMS. Create a password. Set security level to 15, the highest security level. Step 3. Copy certificates to AMS computer. The setup program generated 2 certificates. Locate the certificates saved on the RPS computer. Navigate directly, see, Users, Username, App Data Roaming Bosch RPS API or use shortcut, open a file explorer. Type %appdata% into address bar and press Enter. From Roaming, click on Bosch RPS API. There are 2 certificates, Bosch RPS API.cer. This file contains the public key certificate for the HTTPS connection. Bosch RPS API.pfx. This file contains both public and private certificates. This is protected by the password used in the installer. Copy the certificate files to the AMS computer. Right-click on certificate. Choose Install Certificate. Install to store location, local machine. Browse and choose the certificate store, Trusted Root Certification Authorities. Click Next. Click Finish. Step 4. Test RPS API HTTPS connection. Open web browser. Go to https://hostname 9000/swagger/ui/index. This opens the Swagger documentation web page and verifies that the RPS API is running. Note that hostname is the computer name where the API is installed. This is the conclusion of part 2, in which we installed the RPS API. In the next video, you will see how to connect the access control system to the intrusion panels.